So dear students, we are doing chapter number 9 and exercise 9 is going on, in which we have completed 3 questions in the last video. So today let me do the question number 7 for all of you. Question number 4, 5, 6 all are the homework for all of you and you can do by yourself. So we will do the question number 7 in this video, given by, this is x cos of y by x plus y sin y by x whole multiply by y into dx, and this is equal to, given by y sin y by x then minus x cos y by x and multiply by your x dy. So this is the question given to you and we want to find a solution of this given differential equation, and no doubt this is your type of homogeneous equation. You can see very easily the function is in the form of, all angles are given in the form of y by x. So this is a type of homogeneous function. So let me first of all find the value of dy by dx. पहले हम क्या करते हैं, dy by dx वैल्यू निकालते हैं. For that take this term on the right hand side and complete term on the left hand side. This is your dy by dx will be equal to, क्या हुआ, this is on right hand side, this is on left hand side. So this is x cos of y by x plus y sin of y by x into y divided by y sin of y by x minus x cos of y by x, and the term is to be multiplied by x here. सो फंक्शन इज कम्प्लीट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वाई बाई एक्स, लेकिन उससे पहले जो बाहर x है, यहाँ y है x है, इसको क्या करते हैं, x से डिवाइड करते हैं. डिवाइड करने के बाद दिस विल बी और dy by dx विल बी इक्वल टू cos ऑफ y by x प्लस y by x sin y by x डिवाइडेड बाय y by x sin y by x माइनस cos y by x, और जो बाहर आपका दिस इज योर विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y by x अगेन. सो लेट्स सी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, फंक्शन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ y by x, और पुट y by x is equal to z or y is equal to xz. Directly you can take this one. So this is dy by dx will be equal to x dz by dx plus z into 1. The function will be now given by x dz by dx plus z is equal to cos z plus z sin z upon z sin z minus cos of z and multiply by z as well. What will we do? Take this z on the right hand side as well, इसको भी राइट साइड लेके जाते हैं. So this is your given by x dz by dx will be equal to, let me multiply this z in the numerator. So क्या होगा, z cos z plus z square sin z upon z sin z minus cos z and minus z as well. अब हम क्या करते हैं बच्चों, एलसीएम लेते हैं इसका. एलसीएम लेने के बाद क्या होगा, दिस इज गिवन बाय एक्स डी जेड बाई डी एक्स विल बी इक्वल टू टेकिंग जेड साइन जेड माइनस कोस जेड एज एलसीएम. दिस विल बी योर जेड कोस जेड प्लस जेड स्क्वेयर साइन जेड एंड माइनस जेड स्क्वेयर साइन जेड एंड प्लस जेड कोस जेड. After taking LCM, this term will be there. Here z square sin z will be cancelled out. So this is x dz by dx is equal to 2z cos z divided by z sin z minus cos z. Only and only calculation work is there. So it's looking very boring. Just cross multiply it. This is z sin z minus cos z upon 2z cos z into dz will be equal to 1 upon x into dx. Separate हो चुके हैं terms. Now we can take integration on both sides. Taking integration on both sides, this is your, और इसका integration करने के लिए बच्चों we can separate the terms. This 2 can be taken right side like this. So now separate the terms. Z sin z upon z cos z minus cos z upon z cos z into dz will be given by 2 times of 1 upon x into dx. Z से z cancel, cos z से cos z cancel. This is given by tan z minus 1 upon z into dz will be equal to 2 times of 1 upon x into dx. What is the integration of tan z? This is of log secant z minus log z is equal to 2 log of x plus c, and c can also be replaced by log c. बाद में देख लेते हैं. Now this is log m minus log n can be replaced by log m by n, secant z upon z, and this is your m log n. m log n लिख सकते हैं log n to the power m, so this is your log x square, and plus c can also replace by log c like this. Now this is log m plus log n, and this is your replaced by log mn. Log से log cancel, or taking e to the power of both sides. What about secant z? The secant z will be all given by z into x square c. Now put down the value of z, which is your y by x. So this is equal to secant y by x is equal to y by x into x square into c. एक x से x square cancel will give you the answer as secant of y by x is equal to x y into c. Or you can also write it as your 1 upon cos y by x is equal to x by c, or c is equal to cos y by x into xy. You can write down in any of the form of the answer. Answer को किसी form में लिख सकते हैं, it's your choice, but maximum you can solve it whatever you can do. So this is the solution of the question number your 7. Question number 8, question number 9, question number 10, and all our questions are in the similar way. Let me do the question number 10 now, which is in the form of x by y. The question number 10 is not in the form of y by x. This is in the form of x upon y. So let me do that question as well. Question number your, let's see the question number 10. This is given by 1 plus e to the power x by y multiplied by dx plus this is e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to 0. This is a given differential equation, and this is in the form of x by y directly. So let me find the value of dy by dx first. उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, इस टर्म को राइट हैंड साइड लेके जाते हैं. दिस इज योर e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y into dy is equal to minus of 1 plus e to the power x by y into dx, or simply dy by dx is equal to minus of 1 plus e to the power x by y upon e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y. What is this? This is the function of x by y. But because this is a function of x by y, so we will replace this left hand side as well in the form of x by y dx upon dy, which is given by dx upon dy is equal to e to the power x by y of 1 minus x by y upon, you can take minus and same as your outside this function. So now this is your the complete function which is homogeneous function. All terms on the right hand side are x by y, and the left hand side I have also changed in the form of dx upon dy. So what we will do, Now we will put x upon y is equal to some other variable, let this is z, और x is equal to yz. बच्चों अब इस बात पर ध्यान देना है आप लोगों ने, क्योंकि हमारे पास लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में dx अपॉन dy है, सो हमने जो सब्स्टिट्यूशन x बाई y को z के इक्वल पुट किया है, नाउ वी विल डिफरेंशिएट इट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y, नॉट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x के रिस्पेक्ट में नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि हमें dx अपॉन dy रिक्वायर्ड है. सो वी विल डू द डेरिवेटिव विद रिस्पेक्ट टू y here, and that will be given by dx upon dy will be given by y as it is, derivative z will be dz by dy plus z as it is, derivative y is 1. So this is the value of dx upon dy. Let me replace this complete function by z and y. This will be your y dz by dy plus z is equal to minus e to the power z 1 minus z upon 1 plus e to the power z. Take this z on the right hand side. This will go on the right hand side. This is your y dz by dy is equal to minus e to the power z, or simply we can write as e to the power z, z minus 1. This minus sign can be take common from here, and this will be plus upon 1 plus e to the power z minus z. LCM will be 1 plus e to the power z, and this is equal to z e to the power z minus e to the power z minus z and minus z e to the power z. This term will be cancelled out, and only minus of e to the power z plus z will remain as your 1 plus e to the power z. अब आप क्या करेंगे बच्चों? You can separate the terms. एलसीएम लेने के बाद सॉल्व करने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं कि टर्म्स कैन बी सेपरेटेड, और सेपरेट टर्म करने के लिए टेक दिस 1 प्लस ई टू द पावर जेड ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एज वेल एज योर जेड प्लस ई टू द पावर जेड. दिस माइनस साइन विल रिमेन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड एंड गिवन बाय लाइक दिस. नाउ टेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ बोथ साइड्स, दोनों तरफ इंटीग्रेशन ले लीजिएगा. व्हाट्स द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ दिस टर्म? You can see the derivative of z is with respect to z is 1. Integration of e to the power z will remain e to the power z. So जो डिनोमिनेटर है बेटा बच्चों, डिनोमिनेटर का कंप्लीट डेरिवेटिव आपका न्यूमरेटर आपको सेम मिल रहा हुआ है. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट डाउन द डिनोमिनेटर एज योर log of z plus e to the power z. This is minus log of y plus c. अब क्या बाकी है? We have just replaced this z by x by y, and that can be replaced by this is your log of, or you can take this minus log y first on the left hand side. पहले इधर ले आते हैं जरा इसको. लाने के बाद क्या होगा? This is your z plus e to the power z plus log of y is equal to log of c. Now log m plus log n is there, which can be represented by log m into n, z plus e to the power z multiplied by y is equal to log of c. This is simply can be written as x by y plus e to the power x by y into y is equal to c, or simply x plus y e to the power x by y is equal to c. This is your the answer or the solution of the given differential equation for the question number 10. So dear students, this was the type of homogeneous equation in which we find the solution for the differential equation, and all the question whatever we discussed till now were your from the general equation, general solution of the given differential equation. So today let me take one more questions which is the type of particular solution, and this is the question number your 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All these are the types of your particular solution. So let me do the one question for all of you, and I am doing question number your 12. So rest question you can do by yourself. I am doing question number 12 in which we want to find the particular solution of the given differential equation. Question number 12 is your x square multiply by dy plus this is xy plus y square and this is dx is equal to 0, and this is given that y will be equal to 1 when it is your x is equal to 1. So this is the boundary condition given to you, and this will helpful to you find the particular solution of the given differential equation. और उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले इट्स वेरी क्लियर, x टू द पावर 2 इज देयर, x और y दोनों मिलके 2 पावर है, y की पावर भी 2 है. सो वी विल फाइंड दिस इज योर होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन एंड वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ dy by dx फर्स्ट. सो dy by dx के लिए लेट्स टेक दिस राइट हैंड साइड xy plus y square into dx. Minus sign is also there. So dy by dx will be equal to minus xy plus y square upon x square. अब क्या करते हैं बच्चों, हम जितने डिग्री में होमोजेनियस इक्वेशन है x की उतनी पावर से न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को डिवाइड करते हैं. सो डिवाइडिंग द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय x square, दिस इज योर माइनस ऑफ y by x plus y square by x square upon 1. There is no need to write down the upon 1. अगर लिखना चाहते हैं तो लिख सकते हैं, there is no need. So this will remain as your this thing. So what is this? This is the complete function in the form of y by x. So we will put now y by x is equal to z, y will be your xz, and dy by dx will be your x dz by dx plus z into 1. सो बच्चों अब जो पूरा फंक्शन हमें दिया हुआ है सारा का सारा हमें z और x में रिप्लेस करना है. सो दिस इज योर x dz by dx प्लस z इज इक्वल टू माइनस z प्लस z स्क्वेयर, और फर्दर इट कैन बी रिटन एज योर x dz by dx इज इक्वल टू माइनस z स्क्वेयर माइनस z विल बी योर minus 2z minus z square. So variables can be separated now, and this can be your taking minus sign common. This will be your, you can take minus sign common. So this is your 1 over z square plus 2z into dz will be equal to 1 upon x into dx. अब हमें क्या करना है, इंटीग्रेशन लेना है. So taking integration on both sides, this will be your like this. And in this case you can take z common, this is z plus 2. Now there are two methods to do the integration of this function. You can use your partial fraction, or you can also use your by completing square method. आप completing square method भी use कर सकते हैं. Let me do that method. वो easy रहेगा आप लोगों के लिए, completing square method. So it can be done by your z square plus 2z do plus 1 minus 1 into dz is equal to 1 upon x into dx. क्या करते हैं हम लोग, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x का हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. यहाँ कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x की जगह कोफिशिएंट ऑफ z है, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ z को हाफ से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दिस विल बी 1, और 1 का स्क्वायर 1 ही होता है, तो दिस इज टू बी ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट. द फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स विल गिव यू your the complete square at z plus 1 whole square minus 1 also there into dz. This is the formula of 1 upon x square minus a square, and this is given by 1 over 2a log of x, this is your minus a upon x plus a is equal to log of x plus c. सो 1 से 1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दिस इज 1 अपॉन 2a log of z अपॉन z प्लस 2 is equal to log of x plus c, and c can also be written log c plus log c. Value of a is your 1 is here, so this is 1 upon 2, and 2 can be taken on the right hand side. This is log of z upon z plus 2 is equal to 2 times of log x plus 2 log c, and which can be further written as your log of z over z plus 2 is equal to log of x square c. ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा और यहाँ से आपकी वैल्यू आएगी z अपॉन z प्लस 2 इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वेयर सी, और सिंपली z विल बी इक्वल टू z प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर सी। बच्चों आपने क्या करना है, सिर्फ वैल्यू पुट करनी है किसकी, z की। दिस इज गिवन बाय x बाई वाई इज इक्वल टू एक्स बाई वाई प्लस 2 इंटू एक्स स्क्वेयर सी। दिस इज गिवन बाय x इज इक्वल टू x plus 2y into x square c, cancel, and this is your x of x plus 2y is equal to c. This can be represented like this. So this is your the solution, the particular solution, not a particular solution, this is the general solution actually. Now we want to find the particular solution, और उसके लिए क्या करेंगे आप, x की वैल्यू 1, y की वैल्यू 1 पुट करेंगे। सो दिस इज योर 1 into 1 plus 2 is equal to c, so c will be your 3. The answer will be your x times of x plus 2y is equal to 3. So this is a required solution of the given differential equation from the question number 11. Sorry, 12. This is the number 12 question. So this was all about the homogeneous equation solution from the method homogeneous equation, and we have completed the exercise 9.5 today. So we will start the miscellaneous exercise in the next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.